ॐ ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति
ॐ ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति
मूर्तिभेदविभागिने
मूर्तिभेदविभागिने
व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय
व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय
दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् सदाशिवसमारम्भाम्
सदाशिवसमारम्भाम्
शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम्
शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम्
अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम्
अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम्
वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्।
वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्।
परम्पराम्।
ॐ सहना भवतु
ॐ
सहना भवतु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा
विद्विषावहै।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयम्
ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयम्
व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्
व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्
अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम्
अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम्
अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्
अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी
यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतस्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः
यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतस्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः
वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैर्गायन्ति यं सामगाः
वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः
ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः
ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः
यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः
यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः
Just first we can chant Devamevapare yagnam
दैवमेवापरे यज्ञम्
योगिनः पर्युपासते
योगिनः पर्युपासते
ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे यज्ञम्
ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे यज्ञम्
यज्ञेनैवोपजुह्वति
यज्ञेन वोपजुह्वति
श्रोत्रादीनीन्द्रियाण्यन्ये
श्रोत्रादीनीन्द्रियाण्यन्ये
संयमाग्निषु जुह्वति
संयमाग्निषु जुह्वति
शब्दादीन् विषयानन्ये
शब्दादीन् विषयानन्ये
इन्द्रियाग्निषु जुह्वति
इन्द्रियाग्निषु जुह्वति
सर्वाणीन्द्रियकर्माणि
सर्वाणीन्द्रियकर्माणि
प्राणकर्माणि चापरे
प्राणकर्माणि चापरे
आत्मसंयमयोगाग्नौ
आत्मसंयमयोगाग्नौ
जुह्वति ज्ञानदीपिते
जुह्वति ज्ञानदीपिते
द्रव्ययज्ञास्तपोयज्ञाः
द्रव्ययज्ञास्तपोयज्ञाः
योगयज्ञास्तथा परे
योगयज्ञास्तथा परे
स्वाध्यायज्ञानयज्ञाश्च
स्वाध्यायज्ञानयज्ञाश्च
यतयः संशितव्रताः
यतयः संशितव्रताः
अपाने जुह्वति प्राणम्
अपाने जुह्वति प्राणम्
प्राणे पानं तथा परे
प्राणे पानं तथा परे
प्राणापानगतिरुद्ध्वा
प्राणापानगतिरुद्ध्वा
प्राणायामपरायणाः
प्राणायामपरायणाः
अपरे नियताहाराः
अपरे नियताहाराः
प्राणान् प्राणेषु जुह्वति
प्राणान् प्राणेषु जुह्वति
सर्वेऽप्येते यज्ञविदः
सर्वेऽप्येते यज्ञविदः
यज्ञक्षपितकल्मषाः
यज्ञक्षपितकल्मषाः
So before going into Gita text, let's see question about Keshtananji. No, he has already asked, and he is here now. Keshtanan.
Namaste, Swamiji.
Namaste. So we know the word Sanchit Karma, no? I think Keshtananji also must be knowing this word. Do you know Sanchit Karma, Keshtanan?
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, I know there are three
Yeah. So they know.
kinds of karma: Sanchita, Prabla,
And
and Agami.
Kriyamana, Agami.
Agamikari. Mhm.
In Sanchit Karma, the mean karma means Papa Punya, really speaking. This is a technical word, but karma means Papa Punya. And the meaning of Sanchit, Chit means accumulated, Chit. And here some properly accumulated. So whenever we are born as a human being, then whatever karma we did is accumulated, it's called Sanchit Karma. So we all have, as a jiva, we all have our own account of Sanchit Karma. But when Bhagwan has given birth, so 3 level Bhagwan can given birth. I am just broadly, we can classify. In one birth, more Papa is there. Birth with more Papa. There are births where more Punya is there. But here, one birth, there are Papa also and Punya also. Classically, it says Papa Yonihi. So all births are called Yoni. It's called Papa Yoni. In these births, animals, birds, trees are considered as a Papa Yoni. So they are, according to Puja Swamiji, they don't have any free will. Here they are just exhausting their Papa. They have no free will. So they live mechanically. So all animals are considered. Then there are Punya Yoni. So above human, all devas, even Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapas, Satyam. We say there are 6 up. They all consider as a Punya Yoni. Maybe less or I don't know, but still they consider as a Punya Yoni. There they don't have choice to do new karma. Here they are exhausting Punya. So in Papa Yoni, these animal birds, they all are exhausting Papa, while in Deva Yoni, they are exhausting their Punya. Then Kshine Punye Martya Lokam Vishanti. They have to come back as a Martya Lokam, means Prithvi Loka, and Papa Punya mixture is called human being. We are Manushyaha is a mixture of Papa Punya. And according to Puja Swamiji, they say we all are Mishraji. The meaning of Mishra is a mixture of Papa and Punya. These are single, either Papa or Punya. But we are Mishra, mixture of Papa Punya. And we are blessed with one gift. It's called free will. Only human being as a free will. This free will is not available in, we know, on animals. There is, I think this free will may available in Deva. But being a very comfortable life, conducive life, they never think of moksha. So they always in enjoyment, they never think of moksha. Because in some story, Indra goes to Brahmaji, is come. That's why I think maybe they have free will, but they are not using their free will. But we human beings, we have right. Now we can come to the point. Now we are remain only human being. So I just may write Manushya. So as a human being, when we are born, so what Keshtananji has told, we are born with our own prarabdha karma. Here pra plus arabdha. Prakarshena arabdha. It is already begun. It's called prarabdha. The child is born, prarabdha. It's prarabdha. So in this, Bhagwan has in Manushya, in every yoni, but in Manushya also, Bhagwan has given us some package of Papa Punya that we have to exhaust, experience, not exhaust, let me say, we have to experience during in our this Manushya life. So when we are happy, then it's called we are exhausting, we are experiencing our punya. If we have some rough patch in our life, it says we are experiencing our papa. So we are born with our own punya and papa. Now question may arise, if papa punya are given as our destiny, then what is the meaning of Manushya, human being? But that's why I have told we are given a gift, free will. Being free will, Bhagwan has given a many type of choice, like opportunity. If we are literally blessed, we can pick up the opportunity and we can turn our life. That's why I say our destiny, it says, what is in Sanskritam, destiny, what we say? Bhagya. What is
Bhagya. Yeah.
Bhagya, destiny, but for Keshtananji is a destiny. Let's see destiny. It says there are three type of destiny. Again, in Sanskritam is called Manda, means low. Manda, Madhyamaha, and one is called Prabal, Prabala. Prabal Prarabdha or destiny Bhagya, what we say. Prarabdha we will keep. So Mandaha Prarabdha means something we can come across. Suppose we may sick. According to our Papa Punya, we may sick. We may have disease like coronavirus. Suppose. But being free will, we keep precaution. So that coronavirus cannot affect. So it's called Manda. What we call in English, Manda means slow, low, light.
Low, inferior, low.
Inferior. I say low. It's inferior.
Low.
Is not? No, yeah, I think low.
Hmm.
Madhyama means medium, and prabala is very strong. So
Weak, right? Weak, maybe.
I think weak. Weak is also.
Yeah, weak is probably better. Yeah.
Weak or soft.
Yes, maybe. Yeah. And this is prabala means what I said. Very strong. Yeah,
Strong. Yeah.
strong parabala. Strong. So manda destiny, weak destiny, because of given free destiny, we can change. Like there's a fresh example of coronavirus, we can change. We'll keep all precaution.
Hmm.
Then there is a madhyama. Madhyama means we have to experience some whatever papa punya in our destiny. People ask, can we change our madhyama prarabdha also? Suppose to be born as a poor, in poor family. So what would be the prarabdha of this poor boy or girl, whatever? But still, they can have choices or maybe opportunity. Here, we are here. This is the best example. And I'm running that Sandhya Gurukulam. There are many poor children I came across. So 140 children are there. I have been teaching or I am just in contact with all 140. But there are some students, they would love to study.
Hmm.
There are many students, in
Mhm.
spite of their emphasis of all study, they are never inclined for study. So they have opportunity, still they cannot
Mhm.
pick up the opportunity. So it's called madhyama. So I'm just giving a study example, but I can give even for our spiritual. In Kathopanishad, it says, Shreyascha Preyascha Manushametad. In human being, there are two type of, prarabdha come across. Preyaha means whatever worldly object always attract us. At the same time, Shreyascha, some chances to know who we are. Shreyaha, we also, but it given in Kathopanishad, generally people select Preyaha, worldly
Prayer.
object, but only some blessed they select Shreya. So is also called Madhyama. That's why I have given example in WhatsApp that robber, his name was Vali. He's just simple robber. He used to rob everyone. But when Narad ji comes across and he met Narad and he also would like to rob Narada. And Narada asks, okay, by robbing, you will get Papa. And now first he asks, okay, when you rob, what will you do? So he says, to rob up people is my livelihood. Because of this, my robbery, my family is sustained. Then he says, and he also said, they all take share of my robbery. Then Narada said to him, by doing this robbery work, you will get Papa. You go and ask your family member, do they will share your Papa? Because this action is not good. By sharing, like whatever you have robbed, money you can share, you have robbed some ornament, they people are ready to share. But if you ask any family member, can you also share my Papa? Because I am doing my robbery work because of family member. So he says, of course, they will share also my Papa. Then Narada says, you go and ask your family member, do are ready to share your Papa? Each and every, from wife to son, everybody says, no. We don't ask you to rob people. So we are not, we never participate. We never take your Papa. only this sentence was good enough for that robber. Immediately he changed, and Naraji says, you just start Mara Mara, even not Rama Rama. You start Japa, Mara Mara, and that robber becomes Valmiki. So is Madhyama Prarabdha, is Bhagya. Because he can also say, no, I will continue with my robbery. And he can also select. So he select good. So he become a saint. So Madhyama Prarabdha also we can change. Even they say there is a big accident maybe written in our Prarabdha Karma. But if we are doing daily puja, daily prayers, can stop this accident also. I always say one who chants Rudram every day, he or she doesn't have death as in a road. There are many people through accidents they die, but one who chants Rudram, they never get death by road accident. They will die, but in their place, in their home. So we can change our Madhyama destiny. Then what are the Prabala? They say there are two things in Prabala, our birth and our death. We cannot change our birth because we are already born, But they say our death, we cannot change because we are born with measured our breaths, measured our years. So still, people ask, can we change our Prabala Prarabdha? I say, yes. We can change also our Prabala Prarabdha. People can ask why. So in our Purana or even our literature, there is a two example. One is Markandeya Rishi. If you know the story, Markandeya Rishi was, when he was born, Bhagwan, there are one pair, one husband, wife, they are doing tapas for son. They don't have any child. So both were doing tapas, and Shiva just appear in front of both of them and they ask, what you want? Then this couple says, we want a child. Then Shiva has given two choices again to both of them. If one son will come, he will be very bright, but he lives only for 16 years. While another son, if you have, but he lives for 100 years, but he will be, dumb. He doesn't have any type of intellect. You choose which type of son you want. Then parent says, couple says, we want only 16 years old, but let it be brilliant, let it be smart. Then Markandeya Rishi is born. Then after birth of Markandeya Rishi is the Markandeya. Father, after 5 years of Markandeya, immediately parent says to this child, your Ayushya, your life is only up to 16 years. After 16 years, you won't be more. Then what Markandeya has started, every day he used to go in the temple of Shiva temple, whole day and night. He keep on japa of Om Namah Shivaya. Only sometime he comes out, but he keep on doing japa of Om Namah Shivaya. 16 years, the age of 16 comes, that day comes, but he was inside the temple, Markandeya. Then they say Yama, all there's messengers of Yama comes. They try to take prana of Markandeya. He hugs the Shivalinga. Then he went back and he told Yamadharma Raja, we cannot take prana because now he is in embracement. He hugs Shivalinga. Then Yamadharma Raja, he himself went and he tried to throw something to take prana of Markandeya. Shiva appears and he scolded Yamadharmaraja, you don't have right to take prana because he is now my devotee. He just comes. Then still in our culture they say Markandeya is still alive. Sapta Chiranjeevi, there one is Markandeya. And another name, if you remember, that Savitri, the husband of Savitri. That Savitri also has asked from Yamadharmaraja her husband back from Yamadharmaraja. It means we can change even our prabala, strong destiny, then how can we cannot change our? It says it is very difficult, but I would say if we think we can change our destiny because we have free will. Because of free will, that's why it is considered human birth is very important. In all 84 lakhs yoni, the best yoni considered is a human being because we can change everything. Whatever we want, we can change. But we live a disciplined life. Whatever we want can be possible. That's why we can change. Manda, Madhyam, even Prabala. Savitri is very long story. Raviji knows. I think Swaminiji must be knowing it. Krishnananji must, you know Savitri, the story of Savitri?
Satyavan and Savitri.
Yeah, Satyavan and Savitri. Krishnananji, do you know?
No, no, Savitri.
No Savitri?
No. No, I don't know. I don't know that story.
Victor, no, in short, I can say Savitri, yeah, even Satyavan was a prince of one state. I don't know the name of the state, but he was living in forest. Somebody has sent him back. Somebody has won his whole state, Rajya, and both parents and Satyavan all are living in forest. And Savitri also is a princess. And she starts looking her husband in seashore in forest, this Satyavan. And she has decided, I will marry with Satyavan only. Then I think Naradji came, no? I don't know. But some Rishi came and he says, the Satyavan life is only 30 years something. After 30 years, he wants to live more. Still Savitri says, if I will marry with Satyavan only. So she knows everything. After some year, my husband will be expired. And she knows the date also. So the day come when she knows this is the last day of my husband. So she says, Satyavan, I would like to join you when you are going. Every day he used to go to cut some woods inside the forest. So Satyavan said, okay, you can also join me. So after some time, Satyavan told Savitri, I feel exhausted. I would like to sleep. And he slept and he passed away immediately. And Savitri was just crying. At that time, Yamadharmaraja came to take Satyavan's prana. And Savitri starts walking behind. This is story. We don't know how much truth. But Savitri just followed Yamadharmaraja. Yamadharmaraja asked, who are you and why you are following me? Then Savitri says, to whom you are taking prana is my husband. So he says, now we cannot come back, you go back. So still he going behind and behind. He just keep on following Yamadharmaraja. Then one by one, he keep on asking many boons. Because she always gives very good answer to Yamadharmaraja. And lastly, Yamadharma says, I am very happy. You ask what you want. She said, I need my children born out of Satyavan. I don't want anything else. Then unknowingly Yamadharmaraja says, I am just giving you boon. So she says, now give me my husband back. Otherwise, how can I mother? So this Savitri is taken prana. So it's a strong prarabdha if we can change. Why not Manda and Madhyama? Definitely we can change. That's why opportunity comes. We just know this is opportunity. We have to pick up the opportunity. This is Puja Swamiji used to say. He says one person was sitting inside in his room and door was closed and somebody knocks a door twice. And that person who is sitting inside, he asks, who are you? Then person from outside, there is a woman's voice comes, opportunity. That answer came. Then that person who's sitting inside, he says, you won't be opportunity. She says, why? I am not opportunity. He says, you knocked door twice. Opportunity always knocks only one time, never two times. That's why Swamiji, if you know this is opportunity, you should know this is the time I have to pick up opportunity. Same way, even you just think Duryodhana has many opportunity. He knows everything. He knows Yudhishthira, he knows Bhishma, Drona, all are good people. And even he knows Janami adharmam, nachame nivritti. He knows Janami dharmam, nachame pravritti. Why? He doesn't want to change. That's why he doesn't change his destiny. Otherwise, he could have. So each and every people, even if you notice this Duryodhana, even Krishna went himself for that to stop the war. Duryodhana, even Ravana, Kamsa, all have one opportunity to choose. But still, Ravana says, I won't give Sita back. Duryodhana says, I won't give any land to Arjuna. In spite of knowing everything, so they didn't take their opportunity. In spite of Krishna was there in front of him. And Ravana also, in front of Rama, he says no. So these people are stubborn. Stubborn, I can say. But if we are some little bit blessed, then we can change. Even there is a one story more, I don't know whether true or, but Ravana knows Ram is Lord, Avatara. And in Ramacharitamanasa, not in Valmiki, but in Ravana was thinking, I cannot have friendship or devotee relationship with Rama. Let me develop a relationship with Rama as an enemy. But still is a relationship. If there is a relationship, then it's Rama's duty. He will help me. That's why Rama has taken Sita, kidnapped Sita. We don't know, but Ravana knows Rama is Bhagavan. That's why he would like to his own death through Rama. That's why he has chosen this path. We don't know. But Duryodhana is a classical example of this. So we can change our destiny. Any question now? Question?
Thank you, Swamiji.
No
Yes,
question?
Oh. Thank you, Swamiji. You have been very clear.
Now clear.
Yeah. And that kind of stories helps our mind to understand.
Yeah, there are many stories, many stories. Even there is a one story of Angulimal, you know?
Yeah.
Also, robber.
Yeah.
He was a robber. He used to cut the fingers of all people. One who come across in one forest. Then Buddha met Lord Buddha, Bhagavan Buddha. He becomes a devotee of Lord Buddha. He totally changed. Can be happen. In our Gujarat also, there are many robbers. They convert in good people. So, so what Subhashita in general is written. Whatever written in general is written, not absolute will. This is the truth.
Because as you said, Swamiji, like some, you have the blessing to come across a Mahatma or a good teacher,
Yeah,
and that can turn your life around.
yeah, it's
Um,
true also. But I am also telling, I used to tell also, to walk along with good people doesn't mean we will change, or what somebody's blessing we will change, but we have to decide.
Yep.
I would like to change, then only we can change. Because Mahatma always keep on blessing. He always wished that this person should need change or should be changed. But if we are not aware, then we cannot change. So Ravana knows, even Kamsa knows, even Jayadratha, Jarasan, all people knows Krishna is good, but still they don't change. So why? They are not ready to accept Krishna as a Bhagavan. Same way, I have seen many people are always surrounded by good people, some saint like Puja Swamiji. There are many, but it doesn't mean they are always walking with Puja Swamiji or other good people. They are also good. They can good only if they would like to change. Otherwise, they cannot change. So if they say always keep friendship or relationship, good people cannot change. Really speaking. We should aware what we are doing, what should we do, what should not we do. Otherwise, even satsanga doesn't mean anything.
Yeah.
This is the truth.
Swaminiji, also Shalini made a commentary about it, but I don't know why. I hope she watched this video. Because she had some questions too.
So if she will come tomorrow, we will discuss.
Okay.
But this need to be discussed. We have free will, no? We can change anything.
Yeah.
What we think, we can be.
Yes. Free will is a gift for everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I was thinking to Swamiji that if change is not possible, then why Lord would take so much pain to teach karma yoga and
of course.
Yeah. Because if everything is just dictated by your prarabdha, then there is no teaching, there is nothing that is needed.
Very true. But we should know we can use our free will freely, but with good thinking, at good place. Otherwise, that free will also, we can use it opposite way also.
Yeah. And Swami Viditatmananda said one time, what is given to you is prarabdha, but what you make out of it is your self-will is involved in that. The conditions in which you are given or you live or you work, those are given to you, but how you handle it, what you make out of it is in your hands.
Yes, I used to tell, in 1995, my father was expired. And from there, I have the many fundamental questions, no, what we have. So I can pass it also, no? Maybe I can live a normal life like other people live. But this question make me to ask to Viditatmananji or Puja Swamiji, that turns the life. If I would not ask, then I remain same as a whatever laboratory. So at that time I can tell, no, the opportunity comes, I have picked up. Otherwise I cannot also. I have free will, should not pick up also. Viditatmananji asked me, you can join 3 months course. I can say no also. So what will happen to my laboratory? What will happen to my family? What will happen to my mother? She is now alone. I can tell. I have decided I should go. So is the choice, opportunity.
Yeah.
But we
For-
need a blessing of, so if we live a life of dharma, no, then blessings come automatically.
Mm.
And like this Angulimal, they might have done good
Yep,
punya
yeah.
in previous life. So that
Yes.
remaining punya maybe clicked sometime. Maybe.
Right. I mean that that Gita verse I always remember, Swaminiji, that apichet sadurachara.
Yeah.
That when you say this Angulimala story or Valmiki story,
Yeah.
if they can change, why can't I change?
Yeah. If everybody can, then why I am not?
Yeah.
Always. Apichet suduracharaha bhajate mam ananya pap sadhuhu eva mantavya samyak vyavasito hi sa. So this is very true. What we think, so we become.
Ah.
This is not our destiny. What we think, so we become. This is the rule. It is always 9/11. So I don't go to Gita. Any question? We can ask, we can discuss.
In you always mention, Swaminiji, the two bhavas or attitudes. One is the monkey bhava and the other is a kitten bhava, right?
Yeah.
And the monkey model is that you have to put some effort and hold on to the spiritual path and hold on to Ishvara.
Yeah.
And the kitten path is that I've completely trust Ishvara to take care of my well-being.
Yeah.
Right. And I don't think that they are contradictory. I think they are both,
Yeah. Actually, some gnanis, this Markat Nyaya means this monkey bhava is they compare with Vishwamitra. That Vishwamitra Rishi who did tapas to take a cow, that Kamadhenu from Vasishta. So he thinks he is very great. So every path that Indra sent that Apsara, then again that Trishanku.
Yeah.
So he thinks I can do, then he always in trouble. But if he surrender, no, then everything will be taken care. For that purpose, this Nyaya is. If some say I need not Ishvara, I will take care myself. But it's very difficult for Gnani. If 100% Gnani, no problem. But there are, I say always, 0.0001% people would be there who are 100% Gnani. Otherwise, they are on their journey. All are not Gnanis. So we should be more careful. If we are not careful, then there are many chances. We can go again, we can go back also, many troubles. But we are total surrender, no? If we think what I am taking decision is always correct, it's not like that. So if say I have taken decision, please Ishvara, you take care, then we are safe. So whatever decision we have taken, if we can say to Lord, can you hear me? Taken decision, but we can tell our Lord, I have taken decision. If anything wrong in this, you please take care. Then we are safe. But if you think I have taken decision, never go wrong, we may face trouble. Only this much.
And Swaminiji, so the attitude of like in in Karma Yoga, the first step is dealing with the karma phala.
Yeah.
And then eventually you overcome the doership attitude itself.
Yeah.
But that happens through Ishvara's grace, right? That overcoming the doership is very hard.
But in doership, no, if you think whatever I am doing is not for myself, so we are away from relatively doership. I'm not doing for myself, but I'm doing for Ishvara. So I'm doing for myself, that doership, we are just out of that. Then our mind will more and more mature, then it will be 100%. We are out of doership. But this karma yoga helps us to come out from this my, but it helps for Ishvara. So we are out of personal doership, but still doership, but only for Ishvara.
Like a devotee says, Naham karta, harih karta. Right? Whatever actions are happening through me, it is only Ishvara that is conducting those actions through me.
Yeah.
Right? That attitude of
gratitude, yeah. That surrender.
Instrument, yeah.
I'm mere instrument. It helps a lot. That ego will go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, somebody said this ego doesn't go.
But if we surrender, no, there is a Kabira, if you might have heard. This Kabira's line is there. Prem galiyati sankari, tame don samai. Me rahu ya hari rahe. If I love Ishvara, it's very narrow, that street. In that street, either I can live, either Ishvara. So I thought, let Ishvara live, not me. This is called surrender, 100%. Then it will go. That ego will go.
Yeah. It's a process.
It's a process, yeah.
Yes, it's a process in the Chitta Shuddhi.
Yeah. Then more Chitta Shuddhi, then less doership. It will go even unknowingly. We don't know when it will go also.
You can sense the improvement, Swamiji. Slowly it becomes weaker. It doesn't. Yeah, at least it's weak enough that you get a chance to observe it.
Yeah, it's very true.
Previously, you don't even realize such things are going on.
Yeah. So every time I used to say, when we are setting guided meditation, no, so all complain while sitting in meditation, mind goes out. So I used to say, every time mind goes out only, but during meditation we come to know my mind is out. So this is good thing. This is the time of celebration. Mind going is out.
Yeah.
Then we know it should come back. Otherwise, if he's going out, we don't know. He's always out only.
Yeah, you must be aware.
Yeah.
Somebody told me, I don't know if whether Puja Swamiji said this or Swami TV said this. So somebody came to him. He said, Swamiji, Swamiji, I don't like meditation anymore. He said, why? Because all these thoughts are coming that I am a very bad person. It seems like I'm getting worse. And then Swamiji said, no, you're always that kind of a person only. But now you're becoming aware of it.
True, yeah. Very true.
It's not that you are getting worse.
So I think in that Ashtanga Yoga, in that language, this mind going out and we always try to bring it back. It's called Pratyahara.
Pratyahara, yeah.
Pratyahara. From food, Prati. We reverse it. Pratyahara.
So that's the kurma model, right? The
kurma model.
And then what is there? So many Pratyahara and then Dharana.
Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. Dharana means now
Dhyana.
we have decided something. Okay, on this topic, I will meditate. Dharana may be deity also. Dharana may be anything. Japa also.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And while doing this dharana, mind will go out. Again, we bring it back. Bring it back. Then one time will come. It doesn't go out and absorbs. It's called dhyana.
Okay.
Any question now? Shall we do Purna Bada?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I also enjoy. Yeah. Om
Purnamada
Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate
Purnasya
Purnasya
Purnamadaya
Purnamevavashishyate
Om
Shanti Shanti Shanti
Harihi Om.
Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.